Welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to compare two phones. One I bought about 2 to 3 years, that's a Samsung ago, and one I got about a year ago, but it's a 2-year-old model. That's an iPhone 13. So this is Samsung S20 FE, and this is this is Samsung S20 FE, and this is an Apple iPhone 13. So let's go ahead and check this out. For this, what we're going to do is we're just going to go to our unboxing camera so we can see an in-depth view of this. Okay. So first we'll check out the 3-year-old phone where I can go ahead and vouch the battery lasts really good over in this. So we can go to settings and check everything over here. Like it's also on the latest update of Samsung. And the smoothness you are able to see over here, there is no issue in the smoothness of the phone. It goes smoothly without any issue. For example, if I open my Play Store over here, you can see everything works fine. Wi-Fi is working good. See, like everything is proper, and there's no much difference in the speed or lag or anything in it. I'm just in an enclosed room, so you might think like it's a little bit laggy, but no, it is not actually in a proper space. And it works very good over here. Till now, there's 5G connection and everything. It has wireless charging also. If you see, I do have a MagSafe cover over here. I will be making a video on which power bank you can use for this, and it has wireless charging. These cameras are actually very good, which you can go ahead and utilize even now. S20 FE is so good, and the battery hasn't had any issue so far. And for example, if you see the camera also, like we'll just go ahead and split it up into this camera, so you are able to see the camera quality also. We'll take a photo which I can update later for you. That's also good, and the video is also good. You do have HD modes in it. You can make your videos and camera and many more things in it, and still it has slow motion and many other features. For a modern phone, whatever you're looking for, it has everything. It also has an AR zone where you can go ahead and make your avatars. So this is one of my best purchases ever. Still, it is working in a top class condition even after so many years. After 3 years with a very good battery, where I haven't had even a single change in anything. The only drawback is it doesn't have a 3.5 mm jack, but everything else works good in this. Now we'll go about 2-year-old iPhone. People always go for the latest iPhones, but I prefer the old ones. Let me just unlock this. Yeah. If you see this iPhone, it's actually good. iPhone 13 comparatively. It has a very good chipset. I think so. It has a A14 chipset, Bionic or A15, but it's good. And Samsung, I forgot to tell you, it has a Snapdragon 855 socket and it works well on it. And the speed also is good in it. It has 5G. It has the latest update of iPhone, the same as Samsung. The latest update is available, and it's quite good with the signal, Wi-Fi, NFC, and it also has a MagSafe where you can attach as Apple has it. You do know about the cameras. It's not as good as the other cameras, but it is good as it is available. And people who want to get into an iPhone, just wait for the offer and you can get this. But if you're looking out to buy a 14 or 15, that's all up to your own way of thinking and how you want to buy. But even this is a 2-year-old phone which is lasting really good. And let me just, it's been about a year since I bought this, more than a year actually. Let me just see the battery percentage and show you even that. So for battery percentage, we just have to go to settings, go to battery, health and charging. So if you see, it's 98% over here. Let me see if you're able to see this clearly. But it is 98% after 1 year's time. And how you can do that, even that I will tell you. Like, just don't charge more than 90%. Like, same as when Android, like it stops automatically at 85%. This has stopped at 90%, but both the batteries are lasting still. This gives me about, compared to Android, like iPhone gives about a day's battery, but Android gives about, Samsung gives about 2 days battery for me. At the moment, you can see it's 54%. I charged yesterday. Here you have 47%. I charged yesterday evening, that is. So both the phones are battery wise also good after such a long time. And I can say one thing: if you're going to go ahead and buy some new phones or anything, always think about any opportunity you get to go ahead and get a normal phone, which is maybe a gen lower or anything like that, because that will be useful for you more than going ahead and spilling out your budget, which you can use for something else. Until next time, you're speaking to Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog. Please do like and subscribe for the video and do watch it till the end always. That helps me a lot. Thank you then. You have a wonderful day ahead.